This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. My phone number here is 352-694-1234. And I just want to take a minute. If you've ever wanted the opportunity to own Grandpa's Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive, this is it. Has 64 maintenance records in the Carfax. It shows 2 owners in the Carfax, but it reads to me the family originally lived up north and moved here to Florida. It's got 64 records in the Carfax. Just immaculate. Nice high-end WeatherTech floor mats. Smoke-free cabin. If you can really tell how nice that seat, how nice that carpet is for being a 2005 model. Kind of amazing. Cup holders aren't broken, knobs aren't wore off. Nice truck. Headliner's intact. Something we noticed this morning that was really cool. Had a custom made shelves. Grandpa did to put his whatever he needed right there on the side. So about that. Spray in bed liner. So custom shelving on both sides. That topper will come off, but I just thought that's pretty cool for a topper. It's the hitch. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales. Got a rare find. Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. An incredibly great paint condition, interior condition. And wish you were out here in this good Florida sun this morning just to see just how sharp and clean this truck is. My phone number again is 352-694-1234. But you can text me back or call me. This is a nice truck, and your search may be over. Just need to come take advantage of it. We do take trades and do finance. Bye-bye.